Okay, now we're gonna make one of my personal favorite muffin recipes, and this is orange cranberry. To make this today, we're gonna be using our orange cream, Formula One. We're gonna be using our protein baked goods. We're gonna use 1 egg, some mandarin aloe, which is totally optional, and some just basic dried cranberries. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all of this up together first, and then we're going to top them and bake them. Let's do it. Okay, now that's all mixed up, and I'm gonna use some of these silicone muffin holders. You put it in the muffin pan. Be sure that you spray your pan so that they'll come out nice and easy. But I'm just gonna divide this equally, and all that this recipe makes equals 1 shake, whether it's 3 or 4. Now I'm going to top with a little bit of this strudel. You can get the recipe for the strudel. And now we're going to bake these at 350 for approximately 20 to 22 minutes. All right, here we go. 22 minutes exactly. Remember, all 3 muffins is your shake. So this is going to be my evening shake today.